Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to download and install Venmo app on your iPhone. If you're using an Android device or an iOS device, the installation as well as downloading procedure will remain the same. The slight differences will be in the interface or the app appearances. So what you have to do is, if you're using an iOS device, in my case I'm using an Android, but I'm just going to instruct you. So you have to go to open up your Play Store as per the iOS user. You have to go and install. You have to go ahead and open up your app store, and on the search box you need to type in Venmo. When you locate the Venmo application, then you should be able to see install in the Android device, and as per the iOS user you should be able to see this upward arrow icon or the get button. You just have to press on it and you'll be able to download and install the Venmo app on your iOS device. So by following the steps you should be able to download and install the Venmo app on your iPhone. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.